Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Trello and Telegram. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new board in Trello, we want to send notification in Telegram. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Trello is a software where you can organize your projects into boards, whereas Telegram is a messaging app. So the problem here is that Trello and Telegram don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and from this product section over here, I'm going to click on Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in from this option over here. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I will scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to create new workflow from this. Okay, so now let us give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give it as Trello to Telegram. Okay, so I'll create it. So here in this workflow, I am going to integrate Trello and Telegram using Pabbly Connect. So first I will integrate Trello with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to choose Trello over here, this one. Okay, so now in choose method, you can see we have some trigger method options over here. So according to our workflow, whenever there is a new board made in Trello, we want the notifications to come in Telegram. That is why new board is going to be our trigger method here. So now you might have a question that what is trigger? So let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new board is created in Trello, send notification in Telegram. So creating a new board in Trello is our trigger, whereas sending a notification in Telegram is our action. So new board is going to be our trigger method over here. You can select the other trigger method also according to your workflow need. And if you don't get any trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com, and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger of your choice. Okay, so now I'm going to click on new board over here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on connect with Trello. Okay, credentials here, you don't have to worry about it. In new credentials, you can see it is asking me for the username, API key and the token. So you can find the about details by logging to your Trello account. After login, you can get the API key and can generate a token from here. So first we have to get the username. So I'll go back to my Trello account. So I've already opened my Trello account over here. And here I'm going to click on profile and visibility. Okay, so you can see my username over here. So I'll just copy my username and I'll paste it here. Okay. Now for API key and for the token, you have to click on this link over here. Okay, so developer API keys is here. So I'll just copy the API key. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Now token, most developers will need to ask each user to authorize their application. If you are looking to build an application for yourself or are doing local testing, you can manually generate a token. So we can generate our token from this link. Okay, so you can see we have got our token over here. So I'll just copy this token from here and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it here. Okay, so now this API key and the token is going to help us to build a connection between Trello and Pabbly Connect. So they are a medium to build a connection. So I'm going to click on save. So now what we are going to do is we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see I have got some API response. So this API response is of the last board that I made. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my Trello account and here let's create a new board from here. Okay, so the title of board is going to be Trello to Telegram. Okay, so I'm going to create the board. Okay, so I've created a board called Trello to Telegram. You can add the lists of your choice. So I'm going to add two lists over here. This is the to-do list. And one more is finished. Finished. Okay, so I have these two lists over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to save and send test request. So you can see it has captured the API response of my board, Trello to Telegram. And okay, rest is fine. So now I'm going to save it. So here we have finished our first step integration, that is integrating Pabbly Connect and Trello. And now let's begin with a second step integration. So for that, I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And I'm going to choose Telegram over here, this one. Okay, so now in choose method, I want to send a text message or a reply, that is notifications. So send a text message or a reply is our action method over here. You can see we have many other action methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get any action method of your choice, then you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action method. So I'll select send a text message or a reply. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Telegram bot. So credentials, again, you don't have to worry. In new credentials, it is asking me for token. So what is token? Token is a kind of credential which helps you to build a connection between two software applications. Here, token is going to help us to build a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So you can read the instructions carefully written over here. First instruction is go to Telegram and search for bot father. So I've already opened my Telegram over here and I'm going to search for bot father. Okay, so this is the bot father with an official tag. So I'll click on it and I'm going to click on start. Okay, so you can see as soon as we send the start, so it has started sending us some messages. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and read the further instructions. To create a new bot, type /new bot to the message box and press enter. Okay, so I'm going to type /new bot. So the /new bot is going to help us to create a new bot. So I'll put enter. Okay. All right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So let's choose a name. So the name is going to be Trello bot. Okay. So now it wants us to choose a username for the bot. So I'm going to choose it as Trello_Telegram 001_bot. So now you have to remember that it is very important to put this bot in the end of your username. Otherwise, it won't accept your username. So I'll press enter. Okay, so it has accepted the username because it had bot in the end. So done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this link. So you can get your new bot when you click on this link. Okay, so here you can see we have got our token. So I'll just copy this token from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. So now this token is going to help us to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Telegram. So now I will click on save. Okay, so we have some fields over here. Now chat ID. In order to get your chat ID, what you have to do is you have to go back to your Telegram web. So here you have to make a new group where your new bot has to be the admin of the group. So before making a group, what you have to do is you have to first add your new bot to your conversations. So to do that, you have to click on this link and I'm going to click on start. So you can see we have got a new bot in our conversations. Now let's create a new group. Okay, so let us search for our new bot here. So this was the new board that I created. So I'm going to click on it and next. So let's give a name to this group, Trello to Telegram. Okay, create group. So I have created this group over here. Now you have to make sure that your new bot is the admin of the group, and you can do that by using your mobile phone. Okay, so now in order to get your chat ID, you can see this URL over here. So I am going to copy this number from here, a 10-digit number. Okay, I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here I have to paste the chat ID. Now remember that chat ID always has to be a negative integer and it always has to be a 13-digit number. So here, because it is only 10-digit number, I'm going to add 100 over here, that is 100, in order to make it 13-digit number. And in order to make it negative, I'm going to add minus over here, that is hyphen. So now this is a negative integer with 13 numbers. Okay, so now I'll go down. And here you have to write your text message that you want in your Telegram. So I'm going to write, hello, you have a new board in Trello. Now let us map the name of the board, Trello to Telegram. Okay, now I'll save and send test request. So you can see we have got the API response. That means we have successfully built a connection between Trello and Telegram. So I'll just save it. Okay, so now let's go back to Telegram and see if a new notification is there or not. So I'll go to Telegram. Okay, so you can see, hello, you have a new board in Trello, Trello to Telegram. So now we have successfully finished our integration of Trello and Telegram over here. Now let me show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. Okay, so I'll go back to Trello and I'll go to home and I'm going to create a new board over here. Okay, so I'm going to add the title of the board, Trello to Telegram, second integration. Okay, so I'll create the board. Okay, so here if you want you can add the list. So I'll again add to do, add list, enter list. Here I'll add finished, add list. Okay, so now I have added these two cards over here and I have created a new board called Trello to Telegram second integration. Now let's go to Telegram and see if a new notification is there or not. So I'll go to Telegram. Okay, so you can see, hello, you have a new board in Trello, Trello to Telegram second integration. Okay, so now this message or notification might take some 25 to 30 minutes to come, but you will get your notification or message in your Telegram. So now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what would have happened? First, the information would have come from Trello to Pabbly Connect and then it came from Pabbly Connect to Telegram bot. So now whenever a new board is created in Trello, a text message or a reply will be sent in Telegram. So we have successfully integrated Trello and Telegram using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.